Trying to predict the market will only get you that far, and it leads to costly mistakes. Successful trading consists in understanding that you can't control where the market will go next. What you can control is your psychology, your discipline, your money management, essentially, and your strategy, of course. So guys, you might as well concentrate on the things that you can control, such as money management and the right strategy and your exits, which are crucial for running such double-digit returning trades as you would see in the next video. So don't concentrate on the things that are out of your control. Don't try to predict the markets. It is simply futile. The more you try and the harder you try, the higher the disappointment will be. And there are two more things I wanted to mention before I jump to the next trade. First of all, this trade, don't get me wrong, it looks amazing, but it definitely wasn't an easy trade. This is part of a sequence of trades, so you see only part of the picture, guys. Taking those double-digit returning trades, it's a lot of hard work and it doesn't come very easy. I'm not gonna be the person telling you that this is an easy trading strategy, even though the title of this video might suggest it is actually not an easy trading strategy. There is no such thing as easy money. If somebody is telling you can become overnight rich, simply try to, move on. Don't listen to this person. It took me 5 years before I became a profitable trader. So there was a lot of dedication, a lot of hard work. Not everyone can make it. The statistics are showing you very rightly that's over 90 to 95% of the traders, they're losing traders. They're losing in the first 3 to 6 months. So it takes a bit of time to gain the momentum, but with the hard work, the persistence, and showing up every single day, everything is possible. So before further ado, let's jump to the video, guys. Most traders lose money trying to predict the market, but the real secret to success, guys, lies in mastering money management and knowing exactly when to exit a trade. And here is how it turns a Nasdaq trade into currently it is trading at 1 to 25 risk-reward ratio without guessing market moves. Again, I was not trying to guess where the market would go. Alrighty, guys, let me just give you the trade breakdown. This trade setup had the potential to reach a huge reward relative to the risk, but not because I knew that the market go down. Instead, I focused on the money management and the positioning for a favorable exit. So as you can see here, I had a defined stop loss to protect the downside, which allowed me to capture the potential, this huge 25x trades without overextending or betting on a particular market direction. And this is exactly what traders are getting it wrong. They're getting it wrong. They're trying to predict the market direction and they think that they actually know where the markets will go. Versus using this strategy and this particular trade, it has worked because of how it was managed and not because of a lucky guess or hunch. The truth is that markets are unpredictable by nature, and relying on prediction alone is definitely a surefire to erode your account over time. And now let's have a look at the trading room. This trade was shared again this morning, and the reality, guys, is, as I was saying you, it wasn't a hunch. This is based on particular criteria. We have specific set of criteria that are helping us to enter and exit trades. And just to be absolutely clear, this trade was accompanied by another trade, which was a DAX trade, and this trade ended up being a break-even trade. Here is the DAX trade, and where I took that, this was a break-even trade, even though at some point was giving us around 3x's. But this for me is not a particular win. On the other hand, the Nasdaq trade, this is where I showed it. This was literally 3 minutes after the London Open, and this is my initial stop loss. The stop loss was only 5 points. Moving forwards, this is where the price is currently trading at. This was the screenshot which I took maybe half an hour before the current price, which is right here. As you can see, the price has continued going lower. So currently, just to give you the most precise picture, we are at 1 to 22 risk to reward ratio. So back to the trading room, where this trade was taken. This was 3 minutes after the market opened. So did I actually know that this would turn into a double-digit returning trade? Of course not, guys. Was I trying to predict or get into a double-digit returning trade? Again, the answer to this question is, of course, I wasn't. So the only thing that I was doing, and I'm usually always aiming for without knowing where the price would go is to enter in a risk-free trade. Once this is done, my job is done. Then the rest is taken care by the timestamp element of my trading strategy, which basically is time helping me to stay with the profitable trades for a very long time and then squeezing double-digit returning trades following this framework only.